My name's Janet Tazia. I'm 59 years old. I'm from Grand Rapids, the southeast side.
She's a bundle of energy. She's got a heart of gold. She loves people. She's enormously dedicated to friends and family.
I own a landscape company. We cut 100 lawns a week. We do a lot of spring cleanups, a lot of maintenance. We do some design and installation.
She's been real involved with the Hillcrest Community Garden as well, and she's known for having the healthiest soil.
I grow probably 20 different kinds of vegetables.
She's grown her business into something that is not just a business, but based on relationships.
On March 25th at about 9 o'clock, I was on a conference call. And by the end of the conference call, I was talking like I was drunk. I called some friends and I said to them, "Do I sound funny?" And they said yes. And they called the ambulance, and then I was taken downtown to Butterworth because a stroke had occurred.
When Janet first got here at acute rehab, she was unable to move the entire left side of her body. So whenever she would sit in a chair, she would fall to the left side.
Her trunk was weak, so she couldn't support herself or stand up straight. Her left knee buckled when she tried to walk.
She wasn't always aware of the left side of her body or what was happening over to the left side. We had to completely help her with her dressing and her transfers.
My biggest fear was that I would mentally not be able to function.
We worked on tasks that focused on attention to detail, because as a landscaper and an owner of a company, paying attention to detail is imperative.
I say it's not really speech therapy, it's more cognitive exercises.
And we did a lot of tasks that incorporated things that she enjoys doing, things that she does for her job on a daily basis. We worked on scheduling tasks that drew her attention to the left.
We've used a lot of different technology pieces. She also has had movement back in her left arm. She can move her shoulder and bring her arm up and down.
She arrived at Blodgett's Inpatient Rehabilitation Center at a very interesting time. We were trialing a piece of equipment called the Riften Tram. The therapists in our facility were given 1 month to prove to the Spectrum Health Foundation that this device was important and beneficial, so that we could keep it and use it with our patients.
And helped support me in a much more comfortable position and made it easier for me to maneuver my feet and my legs.
I think it was within 15 minutes of using the Riften that Janet and I looked at each other and then asked her therapist how much it would cost to donate one to the hospital.
I wanted to be able to help someone else, and the Riften was a great tool. And through several donations from friends and family, we will be able to purchase one of those for you guys.
Because Janet and Jay took it upon themselves to raise the money for the Riften, other patients have seen the benefit.
There's 2 patients in particular that I've seen in it, and you know, it just made my heart sing.
Janet took the best of this awful situation. She said, how can I use this opportunity to help other people? By having generosity and turning this experience into something good, other people are going to be able to walk again who might never have had the chance.
I think that she really inspires me. She was positive the entire time.
Janet advanced to being able to walk using a Hemi walker. Then one day, she found herself completely able to walk on her own.
I went to tears. I mean, I was overwhelmed with excitement and happiness. It was funny because she was supposed to start walking with the quad cane and instead just started walking on her own.
She has a really inspiring case because when she first came in, there was no predicting what kind of return she would get.
Now that Janet is discharging from therapy, her progress towards her goals is just phenomenal. She has surpassed my expectation. She's done so well.
I can walk. I can do better with my left neglect.
By the end of her stay, she was able to give herself a shower, get dressed, even put her sling on for that left arm.
Spectrum Health has been phenomenal. Everyone from the professional staff, the therapy staff, the nursing staff.
My arm is moving much better. I can walk with no assistance.
Another big goal for Janet was to be able to get down to her gardens and be able to get back up off the ground again.
The staff cares about their work, about their patients. They're committed to using everything they can to help their patients get better.
I would recommend this facility for anyone in my situation or something similar to this.
We've been treated extremely well.
She motivated a lot of other patients. I know she motivated staff. We always had better days after we worked with Janet.
My name is Janet Tazia, and I am Spectrum Health.